Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam. This video is just an announcement on behalf of PCBWay, one of the sponsors of RC with Adam. And so I do appreciate that. So they asked me to let you guys know that they're having a PCB design contest. This is actually the 5th one that they've had. And I just want to let you know that it's going on. You can go to their website. I'll have a link down in the description of this video. And you can submit your design, and it has to be something with involving PCBs and electronics and stuff, and you can read all the information on their website. The timeline, it looks like they're taking entries up until December 31st, 2022. So you have for the rest of this year, and then they're going to review the projects, and then they're going to announce the winner February of next year. And they've got a couple different themes that you can do, next generation hardware theme or earth-friendly project, and then just, I guess, a random theme. And then they've got some prizes. They've got a $1,500 cash grand prize, $1,000 for the second prize, and $500 for the third prize, as well as some electronics that you can win as well. So that looks pretty cool. There's some rules there for you, so follow those rules. And let's see what else we got going on. These are the judges here. We got Mitch Altman. We got Wayne Stambaugh. Can you believe that? We got Roger Thornton, Bill Hurd, Shrauk Itar Meng, and Anson Bao. That's crazy. Look at all these judges. They're going to judge some stuff real good. And here's your evaluation criteria. Stuff they're going to be thinking about when they're judging your project. We got their sponsors and I guess other people's submissions they have already on here. So yeah, check it out. Go over to their website, PCBWay.com, and you can enter in their 5th PCB Design Contest. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go make something awesome, and I will see you again very soon.
We get bars in our goggles that show.